I've got a funky, bitter, floral cocktail coming for you. Keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody. I'm going to make a cocktail for you that was created by, and I'm going to get this right, Jeremy Ortel from Brooklyn Cocktail Bar, Donna. This has got one of the best names that I've heard for a little while. I'm totally into puns. This is called the Artichoke Hold. And when I read the recipe, I've never tried this one by the way, I thought, man, this is going to be definitely up my alley. And the first thing that it calls for is 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of a Jamaican style rum. I'm going to do a Afro-Caribbean rum. This is my favorite rum at the moment. It is Equiano rum. If you want to check out another video with Equiano rum in it, I'm going to leave it at the end of this video. And also I'm going to do one where, show you one where I've got a review of this delicious rum as well. So 22.5 mils, right there. Next up, it's going to call for 22.5 mils of Cynar. Cynar is a digestive that has artichoke in it, hence the name Artichoke Hold. I love drinking Cynar. This stuff is fantastic on the rocks, on its own. If I drink it neat though, I like it chilled, but if you haven't tried it, definitely get out and try a bottle. It is so versatile in a lot of the cocktails. There's a few cocktails that I've done with Cynar, so just keep an eye out on the videos. Next up, it calls for half an ounce or 15 mils of an elderflower liqueur. I'm using Saint Germain. Last but not least, 15 mils of some orgeat or orgeat, depending on where you are. I use Crawley's, made here in Australia by the great man Jason. And last but not least, 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of some lime juice. Now, you're wondering where's the citrus? We definitely have to add some citrus. We do have some of those sweet elements in this cocktail. This is going to balance it out really nicely. So we're going to give that a shake. Really hard. I can't remember the last time that I've tried a tiki style rum cocktail with Cynar in it, so I'm super excited to see how this tastes. Going to just strain it into a rocks glass or a double old fashioned. All right, now for ice, you can use pebble ice. I'm going to just use some crushed ice. We have a crushed ice machine here at the 18th Amendment Bar in Geelong. Plenty of ice there. For the garnish, it's a beautiful mint sprig. Let me just like give that a bit of a smack over the top. Release those oils. That looks so good. That is the Artichoke Hold. Let's give it a try, yeah? Oh, yum. Okay. Very complex. I'm getting all sorts of flavors. I'm picking up definitely on that Cynar's coming through. The Equiano rum at 43% ABV is really punching through. That's why I wanted to use this delicious rum. The orgeat, giving a little bit of body to that. The lime juice, balancing it out. This is a cracking drink. It is one of those tiki style drinks that the Cynar adds a little bit of bitterness for you if you're not after like a sweeter style tiki drink. And tastes amazing. Guys, get out there, check it out. I got this recipe off Steve the Bartender's new book. If you haven't got that yet, get it. It is one of the best cocktail books I've seen for a long time. Guys, please like, subscribe, help me build my YouTube channel. We'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.